Hello everybody. This and following video tutorials will show you the best way to handle the modulate assignment. And what I want to encourage you to do is to first of all find the charge on the anion and then get the charge on the cation and then be able to write the name. So in that spirit, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with this one. I know the answers are already here, at least as far as the anion cation go, and I'm just going to show you how we get those answers. So NaCl, I'll write that down. Let's see, NaCl. I'm going to rewrite it over here with a space between them. Now first of all I want to try and figure out the charge on the Cl. So what I do is I go back here, I take a look at page 2 of my module 8, and it's got all the charges listed for the single element anions, and that's what Cl is. It's a single element and it's got a -1 charge according to this. Alright, so I go back over here, I write a -1 here, and I want to figure out what the total negative charge is. Well, it's going to be -1. There's only one of these and it's going to have a -1 charge. The charge on this side has to be +1 because these guys have to match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plus up here. So this is what goes on the assignment, Na plus and Cl minus, followed by the name sodium and then chloride. Now sodium is a type 1 cation, which means it only ever has one charge, and that's 1 plus. It never has any other charge. I don't need to worry about putting anything up here in the name to say what charge sodium has, because it's always going to have a 1 plus charge. Well, how do I know whether it's going to just have one charge or whether I'm going to need to include something with the name? So what I do is I'll take a look here. The type 1 cations are listed here. They're in group 1, group 2 and group 3, or aluminum really, just aluminum. And the type 2 cations are ones that can have more than one charge. They're kind of in the middle of the chart. There's also a listing of them here on page 2. And these are the only type 2 cations we have to worry about. So if it's one of these, you know that we're definitely going to have to worry about what the charge is and put that in the name. We don't need to worry about it for sodium because sodium is only ever a 1 plus species. Alright, well let's take a look at how that goes in the assignment then. So the Na plus goes here, the Cl minus goes here, and the answer sodium chloride would go here. Well, let's take a look at this one, Li2O. I'm going to clear this out. Li2O. If I draw a picture of this, it's a little bit different. We got Li. That's because there's 2 lithiums. And we've got 1 oxygen over here. Now the charge on oxygen from the chart is -2. That means that the total negative charge is -2. The total charge on the positive side has to be +2 because these guys have to match. -2 plus 2. So now I've got to think, well, what charge do I need on each of these lithiums here to give me +2? So what I do is I'll put a plus here and a plus here. Plus gives +2. -2, -2. So those all match. On the assignment, I just put one of each of these, Li plus and O2 minus. As well as that, I'll put the name lithium. Again, it's type 1, so we don't need a charge or anything. Oxide. Don't need a charge in the name. Okay, so let's take a look. Li plus, O2 minus, and then the answer would be lithium oxide. Alright, well let's ramp it up a little bit, something a little bit more difficult. We got Be3N2. Again, I'll clear this out. Now, drawing a picture of this one, I've got 3 berylliums, because it says there's 3 here. I've got 2 nitrogens. Now according to the chart, N has a 3 negative charge, which means the total is going to be -6 or 6 negative. Doesn't matter, you can either say -6 or 6 negative, it's still the same thing. Over here this has to match, so that's going to be positive 6. So negative 6, 6 positive, those two match. Now I've got to think, well, what charge do I need on each of these berylliums here so I can total up to positive 6? Well, I'm going to need is 2 plus here, 2 plus here, to 2 plus here. There we go. One of these is B2 plus, one of these is N3 minus. And that's what goes here. Be2 plus will go in the cation section, and N3 minus will go in the anion section. The name, again, it's type 1, so I just write beryllium and nitride. And again, all of these end in IDE. So the Be2 plus, N3 minus, beryllium nitride is what goes here. Okay, that concludes my discussion of type 1 and single element anions. We're now going to take a look at type 2 and single element anions in the next video tutorial.